essence of today, the eve of the Christmas, is a time. Several years ago, I said I was going to spend with my immediate family. You are my immediate family. I thank you all for spending with you. You are the family that I can hold on to. You are the family I can trust in. You are the family that have shared this momentous day with me. Several years ago, I decided that on this day, members of the family will be with me. I will prepare for the day and will share the day. A lot of people have lost the significance of this day. There are some people who are absent with my permission. There are some people who just believe it is their right. There are even some people that I thought were my family that walked away from me. I thank you all for sharing this day. I wish you a very, very Merry Christmas. I wish you God's blessings. I wish you the very best in the new year that is coming. This 2021 and the years thereafter will be years that you will be able to celebrate and be happy. Everything in your life will change. Prosperity will come your way. Joy and happiness will come your way. God's blessings will come your way. You will not be lacking in anything that you touch. It will be my last year. No. Please let me speak. Please let me speak.
Listen, I will die.
Please let me speak. Let me speak. I'm not afraid of dying, and I'm not about to die. I will still live several years.
Many more years.
So don't worry. But I'm saying you are my family. I've taken careful note of all of you. I did say I share this Christmas period with all my children. You are my children. Yes. And that's why I stayed here, I waited here, and I'm grateful for all of you that shared this moment with me. God Almighty will bless you. Amen. God Almighty will honor you. Amen. And God Almighty will bring that new spirit. It's not only about dancing, drinking, and so on, but it is a day for me when I must put all challenges and issues behind me. And I say, this is a new beginning. Even before we enter the new year, I allow the children to spend the new year with their families, those that are married to spend it with their families, and those that are available, that were available this evening, may God Almighty prosper them. You see, I come from that background that it is not only those that even think that they are my only biological children, but my children that have shared my moments with me, my pains with me. On this day, I bless them. I thank them. And I look forward to a better this day. God Almighty will bless you. My ancestors will bless you. All the things that I hold dear to me will bless you on this day. Jesus Christ is born today. And yours will be a renewed life from today. So, what happens hereafter? I want to plead with you all to be ready. The days ahead are going to be very challenging. God Almighty will give you the strength, the knowledge, and the wisdom to be able to cope with it. I'm happy you shared this moment. For those that didn't share this moment with me, may God Almighty, they are not physically present, may God bless them wherever they are. May God let them have joy. May God let them have prosperity. May God fulfill their destiny. But may greater blessings come to those of you who are here with me. Amen. Jesus.